So I'd like to congratulate to all of the Victor Pinchuk Center, Art Center, to launch of the Future Generation Art Prize. I can do that, I can say that. So I'm very happy to join with this project, and hopefully that this prize is, every year is bigger and bigger and famous. Hopefully next time or next year, so it will be have some happening in the Kiev city. So let's join with you, and this is Takashi. Congratulations and see you soon. Bye.